Hey, this is my Radtel RT4D DMR radio. I've been using this thing almost exclusively for the last week for analog FM as well as DMR via the Pico repeater. So if we go to zone B, anyways, I'm not going to mess it now. I'm trying to make the video. But anyways, I added in some more talk groups to my TGIF zone. I watch myself on my hotspot key up. I watch people try to come back to me, but I was not hearing anything on my radio. I'm like, what the heck is going on? So I check the receive zone. You have to create a receive zone, same name as your zone that you're going to put your talk groups into. And the talk group wasn't in there, so I tried to add it. It wouldn't allow me to add it. It only allows you to add 16 talk groups to a receive zone in the third screen, which is crazy. Well, the Anytone 878 isn't any better. It tells you in the manual, and they advertise as 256 channels per zone. You can put 256 channels per zone, but if you go to hit scan and receive, it only receives the first 50 in the Anytone. Well, anyways, the Radtel RT4D is sadly enough only 16 channels. And I tried to make multiple zones like my TGIF number 2 and put the remainder of the 30 channels over there. The remaining 15, whatever it was, and you can't do that. 14. Yeah, it has to be labeled the same thing as the other zone, and there's no way to differentiate from it. So they really need to do an update. This thing needs more than 16 channels or talk groups in a receive zone. This is pathetic. But again, like I said, the Anytone 878, there's only 50 channels, even though you can stick 256 in the zone, receive zone. So anyways, what are you going to do?